What is going on, guys, and welcome to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to get these little creases out with a little bit of heat and a little thing called a chiseler. It's all coming up. Hey guys, and welcome to Window Tinting Business, where we strive to inform, inspire, and improve you as a professional. As always, my name is Patrick. I'm a full-time tinter, instructor, and consultant. And if you're interested in window tinting as a side job to improve your current skills or as a full-on career, start right now by subscribing to the channel. Alright, so today we're going to be talking about these little creases that you get on the side windows, typically when you're top loading. When you fold the film and you're tucking it in, it gives a little bit of a crease. So what we're going to do today is we're going to give it a little bit of heat and then hit it with a little chiseler. So we're going to be using our little chiseler and a heat gun. So one important thing, that when we're doing this and we're heating up this glass, because we want to heat it up to get some moisture out of there and let it stick down a little bit easier. One mistake that people do, a big mistake people do, is they go straight for where it is. Unfortunately, the rubber on the sides of the doors will eventually melt and burn, and that's going to cause damage to the car. You don't want to do that. So if my finger is here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually heat this area, not anywhere near the rubber, but I'm going to heat this area, and then that heat will eventually transfer and go into the area that I want to. So I'm going to be heating the area, but then I'm not going to be doing any damage. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to put my fingers on the back end here. I'm just going to heat the area. I keep my fingers on the back end here because what I'm feeling for is I'm feeling for a little bit of heat, and I'm feeling for the point of pain is what I call it. So it's going to get warm, it's going to get warmer, it's going to get hot, then it's going to start to hurt a little bit. And at that point, that's when I know I'm ready. My heat gun's all the way up. I think it's at about 1100 degrees. Starting to get warm, hot. Now I'm ready. I'll give it a second here, and you're going to feel the heat come all the way to the side here. And then what we're going to do is I'm going to bring you in here and show you a close-up here. Alright, from here, all you're going to do is you're going to take your little chiseler, even pressure, starting at the very beginning. I'm just going to push it nice and up. Just like that. What you're doing is you're pushing out the excess moisture, and combined with the heat, you're going to help lay down that film nice and easy. Notice how close I keep the chiseler to the edge. I don't start from way out here because this tool can scratch the film. So I want to minimize that as much as I can by just focusing on the finger. And that's it. Alright guys, that's going to wrap it up for today's video. I hope it was helpful and informative as always. If you liked it, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. If you think someone could benefit from seeing this, make sure to share it with them as well. Also, check out our Facebook group at Window Tinting Business. I've been doing a lot more live streams on there just because I feel it's a little bit more interactive. So you can check me out, and we're doing interviews with other tinters, and doing some Q&As with me as well. So it's a fun and engaging community. So thanks again for watching. I'll see you next time.